like I can't do no wrong.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is part 2 of my Slay series. If you guys want to check out part 1, it is of me bleaching the knots on these 2 wigs. So if you guys want to see that, go check it out. I'll have it linked in the description box or in the cards above. This is the wig I'm going to be plucking on camera today. This is a body wave wig and she is plucked to perfection. If you guys want to see how I did this, then just keep on watching. This is everything I used in this video except for the wig cap. It won't need that yet. And I'm just showing you guys here that I already have my push pins and I'm going ahead pushing it at the end of the lace. If you don't have push pins, it's almost nearly impossible to put the wig because these keep the wig in place. Or you can use a white cloth like Eric Kente does and put it on your knee and plug that way. I just showed you guys this of how it will look. It makes it a little easier to see how much you've plugged, but I've been doing this so long I didn't need to do this. But if you guys want to, definitely do that. And of course, you're going to need a good pair of tweezers. You can find it at Sally's, Walmart, pretty much anywhere. So the first thing you're going to do is part about an inch across the entire hairline. Most wigs come with a thick hairline, so parting it first to thin it out will make the wig look a little bit more natural. Now that the wig is parted across the hairline, I suggest parting your wig wherever you want your wig to be parted at when you style it so you don't overpluck that area. So that's what I'm doing right now because this wig is going to eventually have a middle part. Now that the wig is parted, you can go ahead and smooth the rest of the hair back and put it in a ponytail. I like to have all the hair out of the way while I'm plucking so I don't miss and pluck something or pull something out that doesn't need to come out. So that's what I'm going to do. And now we can go ahead and get started with the plucking. So I like to pluck my wigs about an inch back. That gives it more of a realistic hairline. So right here, I'm showing you guys an inch back. And also side to side, I pluck half an inch. So front to back, an inch, side to side, a half an inch in between. So I'm showing you right here with the hair parted, an inch back, and then an inch in between. So what I mean by that, you basically just go with the grooves of the hairline once you part it, and that'll make it easier and a guideline for you to follow. So you see the gaps right there? I'm just plucking an inch back from that and an inch, half an inch in between. I'm showing y'all this part in regular speed because I want y'all to see how slow I'm going. I definitely suggest you take your time because you definitely don't want to overplug and you want to see how much more you need to plug. Also, the direction you're plucking will make a big difference as well. As you can see, I'm plucking front to back, straight back, and I'm also holding my tweezers at an angle. So make sure you have your tweezers turned the right way or you will put a hole in the lace. Something else I would like you guys to take into consideration is removing the plucked and shedded hair as you go. Whenever you're plucking, you're not miss and over plucking because there's still shedded hair in the way. So I use a detangling brush to remove the shedded hair because I feel like a comb or anything like that might snag or pull out hair that doesn't need to come out. Now this is what the wig looks like when the hairline is thinned out. I would like to say that this wig was super thick on one side and thin on the other, so each side might look a little different, which is fine. It still turned out really well. And now we're going to get into plucking where the baby hair and edges are going to be, because that has to be thinned out as well. So what I'm doing is just brushing and smoothing back all of the hair. I'm just using a spray bottle of water and a bristle brush to brush all of the hair back, and I'm going to put it back into a ponytail and start plucking the same way that I said before. So when I'm customizing where the baby hair are going to be, I like to place the wig head at an angle. I don't know why, I don't know if it makes a difference or not, but I'm just going ahead and plucking it in the same technique, an inch back as well as an inch apart. Actually, in this part, I'm just following the grooves of what was already plucked. So I'm gonna let you guys watch this part. It's pretty self-explanatory. You guys can see what I'm doing right here, because once I smooth the hair back, I can see where I already plucked. So I'm just taking the hair that's in front of that, so around the hairline, and plucking that. So now you can see where those grooves are. It's coming forth through the whole scalp. I'm not staying in one spot too often because plucking in one spot can bald the lace really, really quickly. So you guys take my suggestions. My wigs last me years and they still look really natural. You don't want to pluck too much because over time the lace in the hair is going to shed anyway. But this just gives it that, I don't know, authentic, customized look. And she's going to slay every time, okay? Details about this wig will be out soon, so you guys pay attention, stay tuned, because we're going to be slaying this wig as well as the curly wig from the Bleach knots video.
She was checking up on me from the game she was spitting in my ear. You would think that she knew me. Decided to cheat. Conversation got heavy. She had me feeling like she's ready to blow. She said, "Come get me, come get me." So I got up and followed her to the floor. She said, "Baby, let's go." And I told her, I said, "Darling, come and get me."
So I'm pretty much done plucking the wig now. I'm just going back in and customizing the hairline a little bit more. Some spots I want thinner than others. And I'm showing y'all all of the angles, okay? So y'all take your time, figure out how you want it. This part right here, I'm just adding in and being extra. I went and plucked a little right where the actual baby hair is going to be. I just wanted a little bit of space in between it to give it more of a natural look. You guys can skip this if you don't plan on doing baby hair. Just make sure the hair is slicked back and out the way, and you guys will be good to go. And this is how much hair I ended up plucking. So a lot of hair. Because remember, I stated there was one side of the wig that was super thick, so it's going to be more hair than normal. But this is how the wig turned out, all plucked and ready to go. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you guys have any suggestions, definitely comment. Give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys, and stay tuned for the rest of the series. Bye, you guys.